Network Entertainment.
Alam mo, coach, bakit ko nagawa? Mayabang ako eh. Ayoko mapahiya.
Actually,
Kasi iniisip
munti
ko
ko nang
pag-
sabihin eh.
Kasi pagka, halimbawa, yung mga cones, inubos ko sila, lahat sinagi ko. Mapapahiya ako big time. Naalala mo yung motor ko nun, Ducati Super Sport?
Super Sport.
Super Sport 950. So sabi ko, hindi pwedeng hindi ko to magawa. Ngayon, si Coach Clyde naman, di naman masama tanungin yan. Paano gawin? Tuturuan ka niya kung paano.
In this episode, King and I sit down with Coach Clyde and Coach Rod from Moto Clyde to talk about the Motor Clyde National Skills Competition, a challenge built not on horsepower, but on mastery. So the real question is, tunay na rider ka ba? Yun.
Yun. Welcome to another episode of Tunay na Rider, guys. With us, mga masters of control, kumbaga, sa motorsiklo, no? Why don't you introduce yourselves, guys?
Coach Clyde.
Sa mic lang po.
Ako po ay skills before speed.
Yan.
So, tamang-tama yung intro.
Exactly. Kinikilig nga ako eh. Actually. So I'm Clyde Solano, Training Director of Motor Clyde Training Center, certified by SAMF, Saudi Automotive and Motorcycle Federation, and instructor for Harley Davidson, Asia and Pacific.
Yun.
Yan.
What
Ako
an
naman-
accolade. O, ikaw,
Ako naman
Coach.
si Rod Villahermosa. I'm also a senior coach sa Motor Clyde. I've been riding with Coach Clyde since 2021. So I'm also a certified instructor back in Saudi Arabia. And here, nandito na kami sa Pilipinas bringing the advocacy ng precision and skills riding together with Coach Clyde and Motor Clyde team.
Nako, buti na lang nandito na kayo. Ang gulo sa Middle East ngayon, pare. May mga kaibigan pa kayo rin doon?
Yeah, mga colleagues and very close sa amin. Yeah.
Wow, ano yung balita nila? May ano ba?
The capital was hit, the US base in Riyadh, and but in some other cities are okay naman, very advanced in technology. But nevertheless, we cannot be complacent sa safety. So I always tell our friends, always stay at home, be safe, and stock kayo ng mga food supplies.
Wow,
Like
scary,
what happened in
scary.
yes,
We
don't know
gotta
what's
weather
gonna
the storm, ika nga. Pero Iba, itong pag-uusapan natin ngayon, yung paparating na skills contest, no? Ito na yung pang-apat.
This is our fourth.
Yeah,
Yung
the
mga
fourth
tanong
one.
ng mga tao, malakas ba sa gas yan? Kasi ang mahal na ng gas. Tataas ng next week, tataas ng almost 10 peso.
The diesel,
Yeah.
I think, somewhere around the neighborhood of 9-10 peso.
So magkano yung gagastos ko sa slow riding, pare? Malakas.
Buti na lang gas ang gamit, hindi diesel. Yeah.
Well, at least may konting segue. Thanks to our friends at BMW Motorrad, hindi kami manguubusan ng Petron GC.
Ang dami nito.
And thanks to our friends at BMW Motorrad, alam ko malayo yung biyahe nyo. Ito, Coach, 1,000 pesos. Gamitin mo na
Nako.
bago tumaas, ha?
Coach,
Alright.
Coach Rod.
Ayan,
para
thank you
sa'yo.
so much, BMW Motorrad.
Yan.
Thank you so much for this generous gift. Magagamit namin to on our daily ride.
Yan. Okay.
All right, balik.
Special thanks.
Go ahead.
Dalawang card, oh.
Oo, 2,000.
Lumaki yung mata ni Iba. Thank you so much, BMW and Petron.
Ayan.
Mabuhay.
Okay, ano lang, no? Bigyan nyo lang kami, I guess, for a start, ng background. Bakit natin, ano ba tong competition na to at bakit natin naisipang simulan to?
Okay, way back in Saudi Arabia, there's a Top Gun course inspired by Captain Wael bin Huraib. Shout out.
Top Gun, ibig sabihin yung ano yung...
It's a precision course, parang yung skills mastery ng ng mga police American police, and they mastered the cones. And ang challenge dun sa amin ay 18 feet using a touring bike, usually Road King, Street Glide. And then I became a Top Gun master 2015 sa Bahrain. And that was the challenge of you have to master, regardless of the time, pero yung precision that you cannot touch or hit a cone. And no legs down. On that challenge na 18 feet mostly ang mga circles and square. So that was the challenge. And when I get back here, and actually for good na yun, noong 2022, I left Saudi Arabia. And then since we started the Motor Clyde ng 2021, na-inspired kami doon. And noong 2022, naisip namin na we have to prepare and let's showcase the skills that what we have learned in abroad and let's bring it here. So na-inspired kami, lalong-lalo na yung mga alumni natin, yung mga media riders na mga magagaling, and via sudden, it's time to showcase na ipakita sa mga tao, ibang riders na kaya natin makontrol kahit big bike. It's not about speed, no? Once you have the mastery of control, yung clutch, yung brake, and the direction and tire placement, you avoid accident through these precision skills. So it started nung 2023 sa CCP. That was our first. March din siya. Every
Naalala
March.
ko nun.
Nandun ka.
Ang init nun.
I was the host. Bilad na host.
Yes. Yeah. So this is our fourth now. This coming March 14 and 15. That's when it is started nung way back
Pang ilan
23.
na to? 20...
This is our fourth.
Pangapat na.
Yeah.
And then wala pa kayong home base noon. So that's why sa PICC nyo ginawa. Ngayon, fully loaded na doon sa Motor Clyde HQ, no?
Yes, and with the support and partnership with Mayor Arthur Marasigan, Idol, AJAM, we are conducting the National Skills Riding Competition sa Evacuation Center sa Santo Tomas City, Batangas.
Ang lawak nun.
Okay, so I guess my other question is, sino-sino yung sumasali?
Oo nga.
Paano sumali?
Puro
Okay.
lang ba to, students?
Parang hindi kayo handa. Si Coach Erwin yung nagpadala ng mga tanong eh. You were not informed ba ni Coach Erwin?
Impromptu. So, good question. Sino-sino ba yung mga pwedeng sumali? Actually, the competition is open sa lahat ng mga nagmomotor. Kasi this is an avenue where you can always showcase your skills, whatever skills that you have. And hindi ka matatakot dahil sa competition na ito, hindi mo kailangan ng mabilis. Hindi mo kailangan ng speed. All you need to do is confidence plus your skills, and then you just beat yourself kung paano mo itra-traverse yung buong track or yung buong obstacles nang hindi natatouch yung cones, hindi bumababa ang paa.
Okay, wait.
Or any penalties.
I will like to counter ha. Sorry, alam ko friends tayo dito. Pero nung sinabi mo hindi ka matatakot,
Yeah.
graduate ako sa course nyo ha. Nakakatakot yun ha. Ang laki ng motor.
Street glide.
Oo, street glide. And then, ano mo yung kamay, hawak mo
One
yung
hand.
cone, yung mga ganun. Nakakatakot yun ha. Ang mahal ng motor eh.
That's true. Kasi again, I'm a product of Coach Clyde. And
Same here.
It started same here, classmates. Sir, iba ganun din. So, at first, very intimidating, whatever kind of motorcycle. Lalo na pag nakita mo, nagpe-perform si Coach Clyde. So, number one, yung takot. But number two is yung inner kid within you na magsasabing, kaya mo yan eh. You just need to practice.
Alam mo,
kasi
Coach Rod.
nagmumotor ka.
Alam mo, Coach Rod, isa ako sa mga pioneer classes, no? Nung sinimulan natin yung
2020.
March 2022.
Oo.
With the
Sino Direk Dondi,
The
Direk
big
Bing. Yan. Okay. Nung time na sinisimulan ko yan, yung mga courses kina Coach Clyde, alam mo, Coach, bakit ko nagawa? Mayabang ako eh. Ayoko mapahiya.
actually,
Kasi iniisip
munti
ko
ko nang
pag-
sabihin eh.
Kasi alimbawa, yung mga cones, inubos ko sila, lahat sinagi ko. Mapapahiya ako big time. Naalala mo yung motor ko nun, Ducati Super Sport?
Super Sport.
Super Sport 950. So sabi ko, hindi pwedeng hindi ko to magawa. Ngayon, Si Coach Clyde naman, di naman masama tanungin yan. Paano gawin? Tuturuan ka niya kung paano. Which, ngayon, Coach, anong status ko sa sa
Nag-handle
training center?
to ng Rocket ng Triumph.
Rocket
That's
3.
Rocket 3, right? 2.5.
Eh, King, madali kung hindi mo motor eh.
Totoo yan. Pero wala pa naman ako binagsak na motor sa lahat na naging class ko.
Ayun ang magandang disclaimer.
FYI, no, iba.
Si King yung motto niya, why buy when you can borrow?
Nakakalabindalawang training na yata ako.
I think yes.
Or 13 kasama yung motor courses which is why I...
Yeah.
Ano na nga status ko? Assistant coach ba?
Certified ka rin. Assistant coach. yes.
Assistant coach, yes.
Pero kulang ka ng OGT, so assistant 1 ka lang.
Yan, ganyan. Oh.
Hindi ka pa nagtuturo.
Okay, so what makes this okay. So going back, yung training that we've all gotten from Motor Clyde. It's unique in that it really focuses on control. A bike is incredibly stable from a physics perspective the faster it goes. The slower it is, you're more reliant on whatever tools that are kailangan mas may skill ka kapag mabakal.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, balance, clutch, di ba? Throttle.
So going with that logic, how does this competition differ from other competitions out there? Or is there any competition that's similar to it? Yeah, I guess yung mga gymkhana dati, di ba? Pero at least ito, yung mga you're taught already, no? Or is it open to people who haven't graduated from your classes?
As long as they can perform the skills and they can showcase that they will able to follow the route, no? Pero let me clear, Iba. When you talk about Gymkhana, it's usually a color-coded cone and design originally coming from Japan, no? Makakita lang kasi yung ibang rider na may cones full of pillions. Oy, Gymkhana yan, Gymkhana. So, we want to separate the Gymkhana to a rodeo. Ayan.
So yung sa inyo rodeo,
Combination.
combination of rodeo and
Yes.
Yes.
And-
so yung rodeo and Gymkhana.
Gymkhana.
okay, so let's take a step back. Ano yung gymkhana?
Okay, in Japan, I took this course also in Middle East way back 2018, no? And I mastered it. Unfortunately, my mentor, he passed away, but he already passed almost all the skills that, yung pinaka, to make it quick. So combination of yung dynamics and control, yung body position, you lean in to the point na hindi ka natitip over despite of the tight turn, no? So, nung na-master ko yan, and I combine what I've learned, yung rodeo.
Parang ninja to si Coach
Yes,
Clyde.
very
no?
flexible.
Yung sensei ko sa Japan. Di ba?
Yes po. And yun, naglagay kami ng cones to let the participant be guided that it will be left turn and a right turn. And maganda tingnan. It's something unique na kung may elevate mo yung the way you handle the competition to make it easier and understandable sa ating mga participants, well, that would be a good branding and trademark sa ginagawa natin.
Okay,
Not
so
to
gym-
mention
what-
not to mention yung mental aspect, yung mental element
Yes.
pagdating sa Gymkhana, because na-mention ni Coach Clyde kanina about the color-coded cones, kung saan sasabihin lang nung instructor or nung lead na pag ganitong kulay, ito yung side, pag ganitong kulay, sa kabila naman. So you just need to master those instructions.
Okay, so gymkhana, you're saying it has more body lean and it has different sided colored cones?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's say, for example, a full colored blue cone will be a left turn. Right colored. Ang ginawa namin, it's really difficult to find a cones na kulay red and yellow, di ba? So what we did, we fabricated the sleeves. So shout out kay MPG, Terence. Tayo yung nag-design and siya yung gumawa, nag-produce. So we just have to move the sleeves on each cone.
Okay, so
Napaka-convenient.
you have that element. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
the
Yes.
gymkhana. Rodeo, that's the first time I've heard. Ano, may bull ba? Diba? Paano naging rodeo yun?
That's the term they're using. It's because parang may hinahabol ka eh. And then, pag sinarado mo na yun, kasi Gymkhana is an open course, it's up to you to make it big or smaller. But etong rodeo, sarado yung circle niya. Magbibigay ka kung either 22 feet, 24 feet or yung pinaka-maximum ginagawa namin 18 feet. So, sa competition na to, hindi namin sinasagad kasi hindi naman tayo level ng like police in America. So, we want to make it doable. At the same time, yung precision, the speed will just come, no? Will just follow. Once you master the controls in your motorcycle, hindi lang puro skills kasi yung mental na yung route na dapat mo may memorize. And masyadong mabait ngayon kasi 1 to 2 days ahead, sinishare na namin yung route.
So sorry. Again, I going back. Gymkhana, the cones are kind of your guides.
Yes.
Rodeo, it's the size of the.
And enclosed siya.
What do you mean by
namin
enclosed?
yan. Kumbaga, we perform a circle pero sarado siya. Hindi yung open circle.
Naka-full lahat na sarado siya by
Na hindi
yung
ka pwede
cones.
lumabas. Violation pag you touch the cone.
Pero Gymkhana, may circles rin sa Gymkhana.
Yeah, pero it's an open.
Kumbaga wala siyang perimeter.
Yes.
So you'll just need to circle around the middle cone, the ones in the center. Yeah, that one.
Okay. So para siyang ano,
Walang boundaries.
May boundaries when you for rodeo may boundaries. Well,
Yes.
yung Gymkhana centro and then more of a time element.
Exactly.
Okay, claro. Okay, so that's Gymkhana and that's rodeo. How did you guys fuse it? So you put boundaries and then you also have the time element and then the whole, parang full body lean. So that's why it's a Gymkhana / rodeo.
Yes.
Okay.
And that's
claro,
what make the
claro.
Motor Clyde unique, no?
Okay.
And yearly, nagkakaroon kami ng mga pasabog na mga bagong surprises. sa
Unique
mga
categories.
Ano yung mga
categories.
pasabog? Ano yung mga ano yung mga unique categories ngayon?
Like last year,
Meron tayo nung stance duo,
yes.
wherein two riders, they have to traverse the drill side by side
Na may tali.
na may tali. So the
Nakita ko yun sa Revzilla. Di ba Revzilla, parang sumali sila sa may championship ng mga police officers.
Yes,
And then
yes.
nakatali yung ano. And
May
they
harness yun.
So the inner one is actually much slower. And then the
will
outer
be
one mas
faster.
mabilis.
Yes, to compensate on the radius of your turn.
Okay.
Galing.
Yeah. Question ko naman, coaches. May ibang may ibang entity na gumagawa rin ba ng similar kind of competition, and what makes us different kung meron mang iba?
May mga gumagawa din like sa Cebu, yung mga HPG, sila yung mga sila Tiger, Colonel Kaakoy, yung mga ganon. And then yung dito, may ibang school din na nag-perform. And then siguro yung the way we created the obstacle na maybe at the same time we'll make it fun. Nag-adjust din po kasi kami sa obstacle based on the size available, no? And then based on numbers of participants for each category. So we make sure that we have to finish the course in on time, timely manner, time-bound siya. And then but this year we were given like 2 days. Kaya may certain categories for day 1 and may certain categories for day 2 para hindi tayo mabibitin, lahat nila may enjoy.
Ayun, nabigyan mo ng primer, Coach Clyde. Bakit nag-push na tayo na 2-day event na to? Kasi I've hosted year 1, year 2, year 3, puro single-day event to eh.
It so happened last year na nagkataon siya sa fiesta ng taon ng Santo Tomas. And this time, we move it to a week after para mas focus tayo doon sa ating activity na mas may enjoy natin.
Oo, kasi mahirap mag-compete pag busog eh. Di ba?
Galing sa piyesta.
Oo, galing sa piyesta eh.
Ano ba, Coach? Ang mangyayari ba, day 1 is for small bikes, day 2 for big bikes? Paano?
May copy kami na.
It's a combination
program.
actually. May flow na ng program. So hindi lang siya limited sa, for example, day 1 is only limited for small bikes category. So we mixed it. The reason also to add on sa sinabi ni Coach Clyde is because we wanted all not only the participants, pero yung family, yung friends, or everyone who will be joining us on that special event na magkaroon ng pagkakataon to visit, roam around, see what Santo Tomas has to offer. Kasi Santo Tomas is also very active right now in pushing for, improving their tourism, promoting yung motorcycle community nila.
Ako, shoutout kay Mayor Arjun, tsaka kay Kuya Daniel Darusin.
Shout out kay Mayor Arjun Marasigan, and sa tourism si Sir Daniel. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa mga riders. They're the first in the Philippines na merong Riders Assistance Center.
ko.
Yan. So what is Riders Assistance Center? Anyone na nagmumotor, for as long as merong Riders Assistance Center, you can go there, stop, pahinga, hydrate, check for security numbers,
Pwedeng pasalubong.
local tourisms, pasalubong, nandun lahat.
May tire inflator din sila, no? In case na, equipped
Yes,
sila
yung
doon.
mga basic stuff.
Tapos syempre, may CRN charger ng phone.
Yes, yun.
I got the program, if okay.
Yeah.
So, on day 1, we're gonna have, wow, highlights to, no? Big bike duo stands.
Duo stands.
Ibig sabihin, yan yung side-by-side.
Okay.
And alam mo ba, pag nanalo ka dito, of course, you'll get a cardo.
Naks naman.
Solid.
Yes.
Cardo.
Solid, yeah. Last year,
So are you allowed to use cardos when you're doing it?
basta yung sa duo
Uy, bilisan
stand.
mo yung mga ganon.
Yes,
Pwedeng
allowed
ganon.
sa duo stands.
Pero on the flip side, makatabi na kayo eh. Diba?
Hindi, pero it eliminates yung sigawan, di ba?
Yeah.
Mas magiging
You can focus on the circuit.
And mas relax kayo sa drill. Tama yun, hindi kayo nagsisigawan.
Oo. Kasi when you start screaming at each other, kahit relax kayo,
tension eh.
nagaano.
Hoy! Dalihan mo! Masyado ka malapit, pre!
Okay, the second category for day 1, we're gonna have the adventure solo category. So it's a combination of on-road and off-road.
Andyan
Like-
pa rin ba, coach, yung teeter-totter yung gumaganong?
Yes po. Kasi naging branding na yan in highlights eh. So we make sure that we'll bring them there. And then palilinisan ko na ulit yung off-road track.
Patry mo kay Iba yun, yung teeter-totter.
panalo.
Alam mo yun, Iba?
Yung parang siso.
Parang siso, yes.
Uy, hindi ka pa na-try yun.
Ang tawa mo parang may karga. Parang feeling mo tutumba si iba.
Last year may nalaglag. Kilala natin to, of course. Wag na natin siya pangalanan. Nadaganan siya ng motor.
Nag-stall lang
ko.
ata yung motor niya eh, para nabitin niya. But he's fine. He's
Yes,
really
yes.
fighter.
We
Nagra-ride
we
pa rin.
actually try to make the venue as safe as possible kasi number one talagang pinopromote ng Motor Glide is safety. So anything related to safety of the motorcycle, safety of the rider, we always ensure na nandun in place lahat. Yeah.
Ako parang nakita ko kayo sa Senado eh.
Sila yon. Okay.
Sila yun.
Okay, bilisan natin no, yung scooter solo category. Siyempre, hindi lang puro big bike.
Feeling ko tatawagan sila sa LTO dahil sa daming natamaan ng side view mirror, nabasagan ng clutch, di ba? Yung gas-gas sa tambucho, yun ang mga pinakamalala na mangyayari sa inyo.
Uy, grabe.
When you do
Sobrang
So
safe
far,
nito.
may mga natutumba din naman, pero it's not that really fast.
Oh,
Yung basic, ano lang,
I
pag
mean, what's
turn.
the speed? When you say not fast, you're going what?
We are
10?
10,
mga
below
ganun.
20, mga
Below
ganun.
20 kilometers
Kasi
per
wala
hour.
namang 30 kilometers na nagsisigzag ka eh.
Oo,
Slalom eh.
oo. So,
may
it's-
tatapon ka sa motor.
yung pinaka-stressful, yung pinaka-nakakatakot is really just, breaking your side view mirror. Or tinatanggal ba? Or yung mga lever.
No, actually, we want it as road condition bike, kumbaga roadworthy bike.
So
And then,
that's the
mandatory po
pinaka-scary
talaga
part.
na
Oo.
naka-safety gear lahat. Full safety gear. Hindi po pwedeng naka-expose yung skin tapos siyempre balat kitang-kita.
Correct.
Yes,
correct,
yes.
correct.
Kaya kung sa mga naka-shirt, we require them elbow pads. Bawal of course shorts. And then elbow pads kung siyempre naka-shirt sila. But otherwise kung naka-long sleeve jersey, anything na hindi exposed which is valid naman sa amin. And of course ang helmet, bawal ang half helmet. And influencers category pang-apat.
Uy,
Iba pa
si Iba, sasali dyan.
Hindi, podcaster ako. Hindi ako influencer. no?
influencer. Podcaster.
Actually, singit ko lang din, the reason why we are promoting this category, the influencer category, kasi we wanted to show sa lahat or sa open public na even influencers themselves, they have the skills. Hindi lang sila yung nakikita natin na magaling
lang.
pag mabilis or pa-cute lang ng pa-cute.
Sexy ba?
But
Magaling na.
they have the skills, they have whatever it takes to become a tunay na rider.
Wow, okay yun So, meron tayong executive solo category. Explain mo yung executive solo category.
Okay, executive solo category is para yan sa mga from the name itself, executive. If you are an owner, business owner, if you are an executive of a certain organization, this category is
Pwede ba si
for you.
Mayor?
Si Mayor,
Lalaro
pwede.
si Mayor.
Pwede. Again, ipinapakita ho namin dito sa community na even, for example, even those executives who are into the riding community, hindi lang nila sinasabing, they are they are supporting the riding community, pero nagra-ride din sila talaga.
Kasali sila.
Yes, may mga personalities kasi na they claim to be we are supporting the riding community, we are pro riders, pero they don't actually ride. So this time we wanted to showcase na no, these people who are in this community are really riding.
Akala ko kailangan bumili sa shop nyo. Diba? Ano yung mga executive?
Moto staff.
Executive moto staff.
Executive.
Actually, invite din natin si Boss Toti Alberto. It's just so happen na yung day na to, meron silang Italjet event sa Carmona.
Yeah.
But he really love. Sabi ko nga, if they can send some people who can join the other category na may representation ng Ducati.
Speaking of the Italjet event in Carmona,
Magandang
our
motor
good
yun.
friend
Oo.
is competing. Si Wesley.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard of the name.
Oh, so si Wesley Punsalan Colendres is he's a Filipino, born in the Philippines.
Basically a kid.
He moved to Italy. His family moved to Italy. OFW yung parents niya when they were 9. Parang makaka-relate kayo eh. They built their life there. Pero magaling siya mag-race.
Talented, no?
He went through the
Malosi Cup,
Malosi
tsaka
Cup.
yung Italjet Cup.
Nagpo-podium siya. Tinatalo niya yung mga 4 years old pa, nagkakarera na. So he's flying in to race in that Italjet Cup.
Oh, amazing.
Oh, amazing.
Oo.
How old
Galing ng
na siya
batang
ngayon?
yun.
How old na?
Hindi ko alam, mga 19, parang gano'n. Basta bata pa.
18, 19. Si Wesley, with this accolade, no, we're working something with him, no, iba?
Well, he's gonna guest on Tunay na Rider.
Yeah.
Pero, syempre, pare, magastos yung mga karera.
Yes,
Parents
yes,
siya
that's true.
OFW. Wala siya masyadong sponsor. So, tinutulungan natin. And we want to say thank you to our friends at Q815.
Oh.
They're having...
On board agad.
Oo. Walang tanong-tanong.
Yeah.
Siyempre, we will support Wesley. So, they're having some nice merch made for him. Kasi, sagot ni Toti, yung biyahe niya dito. Yung mga ganon. And he can only take so much time off work kasi nagtatrabaho siya doon.
Yeah.
Oh,
So, right after the race, balik siya doon sa...
wow. Sana ma-invite din natin siya sa
Naalala ko si
national
Coach
skills
Clyde,
competition.
OFW, tumatakas sa Mrs. na, shout out kayo. Tumatakas pupunta ng ibang region para mag-compete. Tapos
I'm sure makaka-relate kayo, Coach.
Tsaka maganda ma-meet nyo pag andito si Wesley, Coach.
Sa journey niya.
yeah, would love to.
Okay, now speaking of tumatakas sa misis. Kung isama ko yung misis ko doon, no? O isama ni King yung girlfriend niya, si Annette, no? Pwede ko
Antoinette.
babangkit na. Tonet. Uy, mali pala. Iba yun. Ivan, wag mong i-edit yun, ha? Si Tonet. What will they do? Ano bang makikita ng mga civilian?
Pwede pa siya lang doon.
Yeah, we have again, Santo Tomas has a lot to offer. Number one, yung competition itself. So they get the chance na manood during the competition. So again, what makes this competition different sa ibang mga competition is that you can bring your family. Nandun sila sa gilid, nanonood, then you as a rider, as a competitor, you get to perform, and then of course matutuwa ka pag nandun yung family mo nag-cheer. Apart from the competition itself, we can go to different places doon, yung mga kilalang establishments po pwede natin puntahan. Padre Pio is also there. What else yung mga pinupuntahan ng mga
At saka
riders?
kay Mayor Art ko lang din nalaman
Malbar Shrine.
na ang Santo Tomas, malaking part pala ng Makiling, sakop ng
Sakop
Santo
ng
Tomas.
Santo Tomas.
Not just Calamba, Laguna.
Pumunta tayo sa Malvar Shrine.
Yeah.
Diba? And then nagkape pa tayo doon. And then, anong pinakain sa atin? Yung mga yung
Suman.
Suman.
Yeah.
Oo. So, yung mga ganon, meron
Yes,
din.
yes, nandun yan. Kasi we also invited yung mga SMEs ng
Sa
LGU.
livelihood.
Nandun din sila.
Magbibenta din sila ng mga products
Oh,
nila.
wow.
It's
Awesome.
part of the tourism.
So, there really is a tourism aspect.
Exactly.
Nabanggit ni iba yung pillion, no, Coach? Pwede yun, no? category, may angkas ka, tapos ano ka.
Tagal ng category natin Okay, last category for day 1, Harley Davidson.
Ayun nga, balik tayo sa category. Okay.
Nawala eh.
Sarado before ang uniqueness nitong Harley Davidson category.
Mas mahal pag binagsak mo.
Hindi lang yan. Mahal mo yan eh. Hindi,
Nandun yung mga nagbebenta ng accessories sa gilid.
actually,
Kaya,
the
parang-
dealership will be happy to serve you.
Oo.
And ang very unique dito, ang rider hindi niya alam yung route. They're gonna provide them a cardo and ang bubunot ng route either left or right kasi kung ang magbibigay ng route, yung meron siyang navigator. Parang
okay.
may navigator. Siya ang magsasalita sa cardo.
Off the bike si Navigator?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh.
And this is also part of the cardo program. Yeah, yun ang isa sa mga unique this year. And then ang day 2, naked sports category, may lady solo category, may group relay category, isang motor, 4 na rider.
Oh.
So for
Wait, yung iniisip ko, yung 4 na kasabay-sabay.
no, there will be a station. We're gonna replace the next
Relay.
rider.
Okay.
siya.
Pero tindi no, habal-habal pa.
Parang
Ang bilis nito no.
Sputnik.
Lupit to.
Anong Sputnik or Space Lab ba yung tawag doon sa
Skylab.
Skylab.
4 no nakasakay dito. And
Sa Harley.
meron tayong group relay. Eto matindi. Meron tayong for approval daw tricycle category.
Ha?
Of
Toda?
course. Toda, yeah. Nag-meet na si Tani sa mga tricycle. Excited sila. Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi, napapabayaan natin na ang tricycle dapat skillful rider din.
Hindi yung liko muna bago signal.
Lingon muna bago liko. And then, ang highlights nito, magkakaroon ng passenger tapos may hawak na basong tubig. Na dapat, kasi since precision to, actually, akala nila ba racing ng tricycle? No. Obstacle course din siya na may lalagay nga kami ng humps The more na nagbabawas yung tubig niya, the more na tataas ang penalty niya, may deduction points.
Ano yun,
In addition
nag-score
to
yung
your
matitira?
time. Yeah, baso! Lalagay kami baso.
Amazing.
Hawak ng passenger. Yeah. And
Okay,
then,
kasi I was thinking, kung slow riding, rodeo, o gymkhana on a tricycle, kayang-kaya mabagal eh. Di ba?
but they have to beat their time. The fastest pa rin ang winner, of course. And then, group scooter category and big bike category. So, yung category na yan na group, 4 na rider, they will perform. Naging highlights na yan sa atin na sabay-sabay sila mag-take. Of course, magkakasunod sila.
Yung
We
ano to?
did that since the very beginning that when we started the competition, meron ng group. And it was one of the highlights kasi. Isipin mo, pag nagkamali yung leader, sisisihin siya ng 3.
At saka ano to, coach, no? Sa 3 taong kung hawak tong event na to, parang traditionally namimigay ng motor si Motor Clyde pagka ganito. Meron ba
Uy.
ulit?
Ang tunay na rider kaya, meron.
BMW motorad.
Sana all, no? Baka naman. Alright, so those are the different categories that will be performed on day 1 and day 2.
Hindi sinagot ni Coach Clyde. Okay lang kung hindi
Ay,
pwede
yung motor.
sinagot.
Meron.
meron.
May mini-workout kami. Siyempre, we are paying it forward. Ibinabalik natin yung mga grasya na natatanggap natin sa community na magkakaroon naman sila ng something reward. Baka kung swerte sila, God willing, mapunta sa kanila yon.
Ngayon, yung mga... So, speaking about mga premyo, di ba? So, there's a lot for civilians to see if they join the event. What about riders who don't join? May makikita ba sila? May mga may mga brands ba? Makaka-shopping ba sila?
Yes. We have invited different brands at hindi lang sa motorcycle, hindi lang sa mga gears and apparels, but lahat. If you can mention some of the brands na magbo-booth doon, we have what do you have?
WWR malamang nandyan.
Of course, hindi
course.
mawawala.
Ride United
Ride
yun.
United, nandun
Ride
yun.
United.
Yes, for sure.
United.
They can roam around, shop sa lahat ng mga nagbo-booth, gears, apparels, motorcycles. We also invited different brands to showcase. There will also be a test ride. So sa mga hindi magsasali sa competition, this is another chance or avenue for you to go check ano ba yung mga bagong...
Can I test ride in the track?
in the track
May time,
with the
may
permission,
schedule.
may time and
So
schedule.
Meron. They will have the
Riders-
opportunity to
Halimbawa, hindi
try.
pa ako ready. Di ba? Parang, uy, pero gusto ko i-try. Pwede yon.
Pwede.
So open.
Yeah,
And
that's
then
open,
they
that's
can
open.
try the bikes there? Or do I
Yes.
bring my own bike?
Of course, yung bike ng nandun sa mga brands, you can try. If you have your bike also, pwede rin gamitin. So depende yun
that's
sa
awesome.
rider.
So
Yeah.
kahit hindi ako mag-compete, I can still have the Gymkhana rodeo
Yes,
experience.
you can try. We have dedicated a certain time, kaya yun din yung benefit kung na ginawan 2 days na kung saan yung
Hindi nagmamadali.
hindi nagmamadali, tapos yung certain duration kung saan we will open it doon sa gusto mag-test ride. They can try the track kung ano yung nakaset up doon.
And then will you guys, so if I'm a rider, I ride up there to Santa Tomas and I bring my bike and then I do the test ride. Will you guys also be giving tips on how to improve? Or...
Yes.
Yes po.
Yes, magbibigay kami.
May mga
Wow,
coaches
may
tayo.
ganun pa.
We will always provide yan.
Coach, mentioning the different brands, so far meron nang nag-plunge pero not exclusive. We do have the Suzuki and of course yung Bristol, no? And then may workout pa kami na possible
Yung mga scooters ni Bristol, dadalhin nila doon?
Probably yes.
Yes.
Ano yung scooter nila? Sobrang high-tech yun eh.
Zontes.
Zontes, yes.
Gusto ko i-try yun.
400cc na hindi ganun kalaki.
Si Tito Bobby Orbe may ganyan eh.
Yeah.
Pinahiram sa
Gamit
kanya.
niya lagi. Yeah.
Sobrang high-tech, pare. Ganda.
Hindi
daming
tinipid.
ano.
Yeah, di ba? Hindi
Hindi
tinipid.
tinipid na, no?
Parang
O, si-
ADV 400cc na scooter.
Yeah. Sino-sino pa, coach? Ang mga brands.
Sa mga brands, we are waiting for them to confirm this week.
Mag-test ride ka ng iba, ng V-Strom. Suzuki nandun daw eh.
Suzuki na.
Suzuki will be there.
V-Strom,
Yeah.
ikot mo
Great
dun.
all-around
Pag
bike.
nabagsak, sold.
So,
Nako, wag na. Doon na ako sa Zontes kasi
yeah. And then, yung mga ibang natin, shoutout sa ating mga sponsors, lalong-lalo na sa City of Santo Tomas and Tourism. And OnePay, Cardo, Ride United, Manibela, nandun sa production natin. Robinson, Executive Moto Staff, of course. Bisab ng Lima. And ang ating partner sa insurance ay Standard Insurance. Fullprint Manila will be there also. And then Global X, Spider, yung Exchange, and Big Bike Medic. Oh, etong highlights, Coach. Kwento mo, Big Bike Medic.
Ikaw
Anong
na.
gagawin
Ikaw
nila?
mag-ano dyan.
Okay. Since tayo naman before mag-ride, may tinatawag tayong tiklak. Pero ang Big Bike Medic, mag-scrutinize sila. They wanna
Yes,
make
yes.
sure na ang motorcycle ng participants is roadworthy. Hindi pwedeng pudpud or ubos na yung preno, pudpud yung gulong, and then alanganin yung mga specs ng motor nila na hindi siya non-functional na alanganin. So,
si Big Bike Medic
They can cancel
sila
that.
Marty, 'di ba?
Si Richmond.
Sila Richmond.
yan.
Oh, mga big boys.
The other
big
big
bike
guy.
medics.
So we
Big
have
bike talaga.
exclusive for participants. So with the help of Big Bike Medic team, they will inspect the motorcycle before mag-run sa competition. So that's
Scrutineering
one.
mahalaga yan.
Actually,
scrutineering.
parang magdadala talaga sila ng mga mechanic and mini shop na doon na mangyayari. And if I'm not mistaken, baka possible din na magkaroon ng change oil mismo doon.
Mobile,
BMS.
yan,
Yeah.
alam ko, mobile
Mobile,
shop.
Yeah, they have.
Oh,
So
wow.
meron tayong dance, no? Road Tag and Jersey Mate, and LABL, Grit, and
Naka-grit ka pa ngayon.
yes po, kasi galing din ako nag-ride. Kape Moto, shoutout Dr. Kim Fajardo.
Dr.
mabuhay.
Kim.
And marami pa. And of course, syempre hindi mawawala ang PMT. Shoutout,
Yan.
belated happy birthday kay Boss Cesar. And syempre, Tourism Promotion Board. And mabuhay po, Senator JV. Lagi kang sumusuporta sa ating Philippine Motorcycle Tourism. And lagi kami magkasama nila iba sa PMT.
All right. That seems like that's gonna be a really exciting weekend. I'm gonna be there. I'm
you.
super psyched to maybe, pag-isipan ko pa kung mako-compete, pero nalilito talaga ako sa mga cones But I will definitely be there. 29 Rider will be there. And yeah, when is it again?
March 14 and 15.
So we'll see you
Save the
guys
date.
March 14 and 15. It's not at the Motor Clyde Center. It's going
Santo
to be...
Tomas Evacuation Center.
Yeah.
Santo
May
Tomas,
National High School doon. So actually malaki siya. And it's a grandstand. And this time, the stage will be on the opposite side.
Oh.
Yeah.
And-
Para yung nagpe-perform dito, going to the off-road, hindi na nabablock ng stage.
And if people want to join and participate, do they have to pre-register?
Yeah,
Yes,
there
yes,
will be
yes.
a pre-registration kasi binabalance natin yung numbers of entry na walang butal. I mean, pwedeng masarado na, hindi pwedeng below the numbers na required para
And they
ituloy
have to
natin
go to
category.
your Facebook page. Saan sila pupunta para mag-register?
Sa Facebook page po, please visit our Facebook page, the Motor Clyde, a Motor Clyde Training Center or Motor Clyde Events. And doon pwede kayong mag-message directly and our team will immediately respond, provide you the information, plus the category na po pwede ninyong salihan.
And may minimum na registration fee din na 2.5.
Yeah.
Yes. Tapos sa group naman may certain fees din kasi you'll be receiving ang award?
May cash prize, yan.
Ooh.
Plus vouchers and other giveaways sa mga courtesy sa mga brands na nagsuporta ho sa
Yes.
competition.
So meron tayong champion and runner-up for each
Yes.
category.
All right.
Exciting. Okay. Guys, if you wanna join, follow nyo lang Motor Clyde Training Center and get in touch with them. For now, excited tayo dyan. We support safe events just like this. With that, see us on the next episode of Tunay na Rider. It's Women's Month. Magkakaroon tayo ng mga
Yes.
lady rider na bisita dito. At mga kaibigan natin sa BMW, abangan nyo rin. May set na date na tayo dyan. This has been King Senko.
All right. Iba here and maraming salamat, Coach Clyde and
Rod.
Coach Rod.
Thank you so much for having us here.
All right.
Thank you.
Ride hard, ride safe, ride
tunay.
slow, ride tunay.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.